In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download your entire Weebly site or pages successfully. Whether you're planning to back up your work, move to another platform, or simply want a local copy for your records, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. To begin with, open your Weebly site editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top bar, where you'll find a selection labeled Theme. Click on this option. Now, you might be wondering why we're diving into themes when your goal is to export your entire site. Themes in Weebly are more than just the look and feel of your website. They encompass all the underlying code, structure, and sometimes even content arrangement. This makes them the perfect starting point for exporting your site. After clicking Theme, your screen will populate with various options related to how your site looks and operates. Here, you'll need to focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this sidebar, and you'll see an option to edit HTML or CSS. Click on this, and you'll find yourself in the Weebly code editor. Now, don't be intimidated by the code editor. Even if code isn't your forte, you don't need to worry, as we're here just to locate a specific feature rather than delve into any actual coding. On the left panel of this code editor, you'll find a button labeled Export Theme. This is the magic button that enables the full site export functionality. Once you click on Export Theme, the download process will initiate. Give it a moment, and your entire site will start exporting. The download will come packaged neatly in a .zip file. This zip file contains all the necessary data of your website. Think of it as a digital suitcase packing everything you need from your Weebly site. And that's it. A simple and efficient way to export and download your complete Weebly site. You now have a local backup that you can keep for future reference or migration. Remember, having an offline copy can be a lifesaver. Not only does it give you peace of mind, knowing that your hard work is safely backed up, but it also equips you for transitions should you decide to explore different web hosting options or platforms in the future. I hope you found this step-by-step guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and have a great day exporting your Weebly creations.